we've had going this weekend. Things will be changing up a little bit, but not too bad tomorrow, just turning a little bit more humid, a little warmer, and also this will be a fairly breezy week ahead pretty much every day, a little bit windy out there. Scattered rain will be around as well, but especially Wednesday and Thursday, but almost every single day we're going to have at least a low-end chance for a couple of showers. And then as for Easter, looking ahead 1 week from today, it looks pretty nice. Our rain chance stays pretty low on Saturday and Easter Sunday, but it does look a little bit warm. I think the past couple of years we've had some really nice kind of Easter weather, almost perfect. We did get that weather this weekend at least, but next weekend looking a little bit warmer, probably highs in the 80s. Temperatures right now in the 60s after we hit middle 70s for highs today. It was so beautiful, I thought. Really comfortable out there, just a tad warm maybe for some of you. South winds are starting to change the scene a little bit, and it is getting a little unsettled as I was showing you out to the west of us right now. Severe thunderstorm watch box way up there across the plains far from us. Our wake up forecast just in the 60s, not super chilly. We will have a few more clouds. We'll call it cool tomorrow morning, but not cold like we had yesterday morning when again we had 30s north of the lake on Saturday morning and 40s south, and a little bit breezy tomorrow. And then during the day, our highs will be about 80. We'll say partly to mostly cloudy skies, maybe some breaks of sun, but more clouds than we had for sure this weekend. And our rain chance is about 20% tomorrow, just for a couple of stray showers. Here's how we're looking tomorrow. So overall, not a bad Monday at all. Most of us stay dry, just a little more cloudy. Pretty comfortable for our temperatures, though, in the 70s, but the humidity edging up just a little bit over the next couple of days. Here are our chances for rain this week. Pretty low tomorrow, even Tuesday, just about a 30% chance for a few spotty showers. But late Tuesday, overnight, and into Wednesday, and then on Thursday, those are our two big days this week to watch for some scattered showers and downpours, and maybe even a couple of strong storms. Good Friday and Passover, we have about a 40% chance for some scattered thunderstorms. And then Saturday and Sunday, it's looking a little drier. But our upper pattern is starting off with our troughing out to the west with the dip there and a high out to the southeast of us. As we move to the middle of the week, we get the southerly flow. So along that, we'll have a couple disturbances that could drum up some showers and storms midweek. And then our pattern kind of changes. We start to see the high building in over the Gulf Saturday, and for Easter Sunday, we see the trough lifting off to the north. So by that point, we will have had a little cold front try to sneak in. That would be on Thursday. That's why our rain chances are elevated Thursday, even though it won't really cool us down a whole lot, maybe just a couple of degrees. So we're looking warm and breezy, but mainly dry as we get toward the weekend. Looking at our severe risk, we do have a low end. This is the marginal risk for severe weather. Late Tuesday night, really more so into early Wednesday for us. So Tuesday, not super active, just a 30% rain chance, but at night and into the morning, there might be a couple of strong storms here and there, maybe with some high wind gusts or some hail. And then looking ahead to Wednesday, looks like we'll probably be at either that marginal or slight risk for severe storms. And this one will just be probably just a couple of warnings here or there if we see something like that. High wind gusts, low end chance for a tornado, although that risk looks kind of lower than some of the past events we've had this month or last month. And then also the chance for a few high wind gusts and some hail. In fact, instead of the strong storms, we'll have a low risk for that. But a lot of us, I think what we'll notice more is just the rain. And our rain forecast for the next 7 days is up to about 1 or 2 in the blue, up to about 3 or so in the reds, and purples is about 2 inches. This is just an outlook right now. This will change. So this is just something that we look at to kind of look at factoring in models and things like that, how much rain we might have. But some of us could get some pretty decent downpours, mainly Wednesday, Thursday, and then Friday. We have about a 40% chance. So again, the big bullet points, 1 to 3 or so inches. Some spots might get a little more, and a couple of severe storms would be possible, mainly on Wednesday, but I don't think it'll be a widespread event. In fact, looking at our rain, by the way, the average for this point in the year at April, our date today, is about 15 inches, and we've only gotten a little over 8 inches. This is at the airport. So we have had just a little over half of the average amount at this point of the year, and the drought monitor still outlines almost all of our area at pretty decent drought levels. So a lot of us looking for that rain at this point in the spring, and it does look like Wednesday and Thursday will have a decent shot at that in most of our spots. There's your Friday forecast. Temperature is backing off just a little, not a huge drastic swing up or down, but